I left my watch at home today, and it's such a great feeling to be out here in the forest, connecting to nature. Water droplets from the rains. The buds are coming out. Spring is here in the Pacific Northwest, and I'm enjoying running and practicing on these beautiful trails at Mount Tabor in Portland, Oregon. I love when I could leave my watch at home, even my phone, because it reminds me of when I was a kid. I would just run for fun. There's no charts, no time, no pace. Could connect so much more to the wildlife, little birds floating by. I love connecting to nature while I run and play. So, time to turn off the phone so I can get back to playing.